question we get asked a lot is, can you take a tile out of the middle of the floor? With FreeStyle, because two edges overlap and two edges underlap, it's pretty easy. The two overlapping edges will lift, the tile's flexible, so it'll sort of bend and you can take it right out and put in a new tile to replace it. So I'm just going to show you how it's done. Use a suction cup to lift it because it'd be hard to get the edges of the tile without that, but you just these are available at home center stores. It just suctions on, you lift it, you can see the tile lifts up, you just work it out, comes right out, and then this, assuming this is a new tile, you just work it back down, get it back into place, and because you've disturbed the surrounding tiles, you just press them back down. It's pretty easy. So this technique is good for replacing a damaged tile. Also, if you have flooring on top of an access floor system where there are panels with wires running underneath and you ever need to access the panels, same concept. You pick up one or more tiles, gain access to the panels, open up the floor, do what you need to do, put everything back together. Pretty easy.